Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G86 Power, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, hold the power button and the volume up at the same time, and from the boot options select power off. When the device turns off, you're gonna hold the power button and volume down. And when the device starts booting up, which is, I guess right now, you can let go of both of the buttons, and then using volume buttons, where you have arrows as well, you want to have a recovery mode visible right here, like so, and then press power button to confirm that option. Next, we will most likely see Android with no command, so to get past this, we're going to hold power button, and while holding it, you're going to press volume up once, and this redirects us to the recovery mode. And here, just like before, we're going to use volume buttons to navigate up or down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now, going over the options, now on your end, because of the camera settings, it's barely visible, the other options that are right here. So you'll kind of be clearly seeing only like one at a time which one is selected, which I'm going to go through down the list. So we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. We have Reboot to Bootloader, which will bring us to the previous page. Enter Fastboot Mode, which will take us to the dedicated Fastboot mode. Apply updates from ADB or SD card. Wipe data. Mount system. View logs. Run tests. And power off. So anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this will now bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.